Hello, it's Austin with DS Diving at the Defiance. It is July 3rd, 2023. This is the after video. Let's go have a look better. Alright, while we're cruising this water line, you have some damage to one of your pods on your starboard side. We're about to go check that out. It's the cover plate, but the prop. So it looks like it's cracked or fallen down. Looks like the rivets came out. Something happened to it. But we'll go take a look at it. That cover plate. I don't claim to be a boat mechanic, so I'm not quite sure what that piece is called, but it looks like it protects the guts of your pod. But it's all on film for you. You probably have a better idea than I do on that piece. But once again, thank you for choosing DS Diving. Always a pleasure.